Hey, what's going on, guys? I got a package here from Holy Mountain Printing, which is actually just the printer which is used by our good friend Gunpla of the Gunpla Builders Association. If you guys aren't familiar with him, check out their Discord. But he sells some really cool Gunpla designs on his t-shirt shop. So he sent me some stuff. But first of all, yeah, just really cool envelope here. So Holy Mountain Printing is the printing company that prints his stuff, but they also have, if you guys are interested, I would recommend checking out their site as well, just because aside from Gunpla's like Gundam themed shirts as well, they have a lot of really cool stuff on the Godzilla, Ultraman, other really cool just kind of Japanese culture kind of things like that as well. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, let's see here. First of all, there's some stickers. You got some of his classic Iori hobby shop stickers here. If you follow other like friends of his like online or something, you may have seen him or other people like that using these stickers. So here you go. I'm not sure actually if these are available on the shop. Also got a Holy Mountain Printing sticker, as well as a sticker for the cutting mat, his podcast that they just recently started, which is pretty cool. Check that out as well. There's a card there for him and a Hangar 18 Gunpla just kind of flyer here about that. So let's check out the shirts. Ooh, this is not a shirt. The first thing here says 2 shirts and an apron. That's cool. You got a couple of pockets in here. I can slip my hands in there. And when I'm working on some Gunpla and I want to, show my fupa some love here. So awesome design. This is Gunpla's Xeon logo there, very cool. Like that, obviously has that sort of metal taste to it. And then we got this really cool shirt. Now again, not really a huge F91 fan, but loved the Master Grade 2.0 and do love this shirt as well, just because it's really cool artwork. It's just got that kind of old style painted artwork here on that, but there you go. That's really awesome. Let me give this a try here. Blah! Very nice. Love that. That's cool. And then this other one is his Gunpla design here with the Gundam. Again, really cool artwork. Joel's just a really good artist, and so this is really cool as well. You got the kind of like deteriorating Gundam there. A little bit Akira kind of feeling to that. Just the design style. Let's try this one on here as well. Blah! Very cool. Awesome stuff. So thank you, Joel, for sending me this stuff. Guys, check out him on social media everywhere. YouTube, Gunpla, and the GBA Discord, and him on Instagram and everywhere else. And check out the shop, of course. All the links for that will all be down below. And buy some of their stuff and show them some love. Show him some love. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.